going on, guys? I'm Justin. This is Off the Road Podcast. And today, ooh, that shake is really good. Today we're talking about Culvers. You might have heard of them. They're a Wisconsin-based company. They've actually just expanded to Texas real heavily. And the first time I tried them was in Round Rock. However, I didn't get a chance to really feast. So I decided to come to the location in Flower Mound, Texas. Let's see. This is the burger. Alright. So we got my favorite, the pretzel bites. The best cheese I've ever had. This buffalo chicken strips with the gravy. So, man, I guess since we got this open, let's just start here. Not too heavily breaded. Buffalo seasoning. The chicken's very juicy. Not a lot of breading. Crispy, but not too overwhelming. The gravy is just right. It's got a real subtle flavor, not overwhelming. Pretty good stuff. Let's try the burger. You guys may have heard it's a butter burger, and it's not so much that they put butter on the burger. They heavily butter the buns before they're toasted. Eye appeal is definitely by appeal on this one. Oh, that's solid. That's very solid. And now, the moment I've been waiting for. Simply amazing. I can't really recommend Culver's enough. Everything's very fresh and hot. Everything tastes unbelievable. Yeah, I would go now. Stop what you're doing. Google where the nearest Culver's is and just go ahead and make a trip of it. I'm putting this out Labor Day weekend, so you have an extra day on Monday to just travel and eat well. And here, try one of these. You want to? Hurry up, cheese is dripping.